In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents in Microsoft Loop. First, open your web browser and search for Microsoft Loop. This helps you land on the official site quickly, even if you don't remember the exact address. In the results, choose the official Microsoft Loop page, usually labeled something like Microsoft Loop Collaborative App from Microsoft 365. This ensures you're in the right place with the latest features and a secure sign-in flow. On the Loop homepage, click Get Started with Loop. If you already have a Microsoft account for work or school, sign in with that. If not, create a new account so you can save your workspaces and collaborate. Take a moment to complete any verification prompts. Once you're in, you'll arrive at the Loop home experience. Now, decide where your content will live. You can create a new workspace or open one you already use. A workspace is simply a container that keeps related pages and content organized, which is especially helpful for teams and projects. If you're starting fresh, create the workspace, then add a new page inside it. If you have an existing workspace and page, open that instead. With your page open, give it a clear, descriptive title. Good titles make content easier to find later and help teammates quickly understand what the page contains. Think Q3 planning docs or client onboarding files rather than something generic. Below the title, you'll see the main canvas area. This is the flexible space where all your content lives. It's designed to handle text, components, and links, and it's where you'll place your documents. To attach your documents, simply copy them and paste directly into that empty space. On Windows, select the file in File Explorer and press Ctrl+C. On Mac, use Command+C from Finder. Then return to your Loop page and paste with Ctrl+V or Command+V. You can paste one or multiple files, and Loop will create a neat file card with the document's name and an icon. This keeps your page clean while making files easy to open. A quick tip on access. Files referenced in Loop typically live in OneDrive or SharePoint. If teammates can't open a file you pasted, you may need to adjust its sharing permissions in your organization's storage so everyone who needs it can view or edit. Also, keep file names clear in version to avoid confusion. That's it. You searched for Microsoft Loop, signed in, opened or created a workspace and page, titled it, and pasted your documents right onto the canvas. Your changes save automatically, so you're ready to collaborate immediately.